Okay, so the next video you're about to see is right after I came back from Corbin Motorcycle Saddles, and it was an amazing experience, and I'm gonna have a bunch of videos on how the seat was made, all the exciting pieces. I will say this, that it is without a question an amazing seat. I'm excited to share it with you, but don't laugh too hard at how nasty my bike looks. It was an insane ride coming home. Average temperatures in the 40s, high 40s. It was just bad. 450 miles straight. Oh God. Anyway, take a look. Hope you all enjoy. There's gonna be a lot of videos coming on the seat. I'm gonna do another seat comparison soon. It's pretty exciting. So thanks y'all for watching. Talk to you soon. Okay, so it's the next morning. Had some issues with my onboard video, so we didn't get anything done, but I wanted to show you what a disaster mess this it's just insane. I think we caught every single bug in Southern California, Northern and Southern California on the way home. These are all bugs. This isn't mud. It's all bugs. My windscreen, my helmet looks the same. So I'm gonna do a quick, just a cursory review here. I haven't unloaded, haven't done anything. Obviously, I haven't cleaned the bike yet. Freezing our butts off. By the way, it was in the 30s and low 40s for a big chunk of the ride. The seat, the heater on this seat. First of all, I want to talk about that. So let me show you how that works. So there's a passenger and a rider section. Here's the rider button right down here. Let's see if you can get a good shot of that. And there's the, or I'm sorry, that's the passenger one. And here's the rider button, the nice Corbin logo on there. First of all, the quality of the seat's amazing. I want to throw that out there. But that seat heater is insane. I had to turn it off every 15 or 20 minutes because my butt was so warm and comfortable. It got to the point where it was actually getting too hot, and it's 40 something degrees out, and I had to turn it off. So if you're looking for something that is going to keep your butt warm while you're riding, 100% recommend. Comfort-wise, oh my God. So we just rode back. It was 448 miles, and we did that in a straight shot. We stopped for gas and kept going. We didn't get home. In fact, I said while we were still at Corbin Motorcycle Saddles, I said it was going to be about midnight. I got home at 5 minutes to midnight. What a long, cold, oh, that ride was not fun. And the only thing that was comfortable on the entire ride was the seat. So there's some folks who talk about these seats needing to break in, and I know they do need to break in, but I'm gonna tell you straight up, this is the most comfortable seat I've ever had. Immediately, my butt didn't start getting any kind of saddle sore. Keep in mind, this was an 8-hour ride straight. We didn't stop for anything except for gas. We grabbed a burger real quick and then just kept going. My butt started getting a little saddle sore, I would say with about an hour and a half to go, just a little bit. I mean, we're not talking a lot. It was just a little bit. On the way up in my other seat, halfway up the ride, I was basically not even sitting on the seat because my butt hurt so much. And if you guys have ever gone on a long ride and you have sitting on down on the seat pan there when the foam compresses, you know what I'm talking about. Seat is amazing. And as it breaks in, my understanding is it's just going to get even better. I'm not sure how, because without question, this is the most comfortable seat I have ever had, and supportive. The backrest is very adjustable. It's actually adjustable in 2 different areas. I think I have it exactly where I want, where it's not interfering with my riding, but when I want to, all I gotta do is inch back just a hair and I have back support. My back, and I have a bad back. My back did not bother me even a little bit on this ride, which shocked me. So I'm very excited. The seating position is spot on. I was so impressed with the quality of this seat. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to do a full seat review. We're going to do another seat comparison because, as you can see, I still have that Saddleman San Diego custom seat that I'm going to be selling now because I honestly have no use for this seat anymore. It's a beautiful seat. We've talked about it before. We'll talk about it again during the review, but I will be selling this seat, so I'll probably sell it locally on OfferUp or something, but if you're in the San Diego area and you want to hit me up, this is going to be sometime in November of 2023. So if you hit me up, it'll probably still be available, and I will hit you back and let you know if it is. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. It was an adventure. I want to give a shout out to Corbin Motorcycle Saddles, to Mike Corbin, to Julio, to Lisa, the receptionist, to all of the people we met, and a couple of friends we met on the trip as well, like these folks, who turns out They came from San Diego. They put their bikes on trailers, which I laughed at in the morning, but when we were riding home, I think they're much smarter than we were. And we met quite a few other people from all over the Southwest U.S. and actually just the West U.S. that had ridden in to get their stuff done. There was some stuff like Charles over here. So Charles just got done with his seat, and it looks amazing. He was the first one here today, and he's the first one out. He knew exactly what he wanted when he started, which made it a lot faster. But wow, that looks so good. It looks absolutely stunning. It's so much fun to watch everybody's visions come true here. I did a little quick video on what they did on his bike. It looks so cool. I thought it was gonna look silly, and it looks so cool. It's a show bike now. Amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep the rubber side down. Rosie's out.